How a walk can help you with depression. A good question. You might ask how that happens. So when I work with clients that have depression, the first time that I meet them, our first session is a walk. We go out for a 20-minute walk, just 10 minutes up the road and 10 minutes back. And then we discuss it then, because that walk starts to change things for them. We've all heard of the health benefits that can be had by exercising, both physical and mental, and it's been well documented, and there's loads of evidence to show how it can make us feel better. Firstly, if only as an energy booster. As we get older, it's important that we stay mobile and keep moving. And I think that is part of that walk. It's just easy. Don't ever underestimate the benefits of a good walk. The next thing is, it's a mood booster. And because it releases the endorphins into our blood supply, it's a natural feel-good factor by just exercising. So getting out there, it releases serotonin and dopamine and oxytocin. It's all of those good feeling endorphins. So it's an absolute mood booster. The next thing is about setting goals. If we're setting a goal every day to get up, it's giving us something to strive for. So it just beats the mundane day-to-day stuff of going around in circles. After all, if you don't know where you're going, any road is good enough. So get up, plan a route, and let's get walking. Weight loss speaks for itself. If you exercise, just those extra calories from a 20-minute walk every day has got to be doing you good. You know, this year I've been up and done 5 at 5 every day, 5 miles at 5 o'clock. The weight loss has been great for me. My mood has been really good. It's set me up for the day, and I've noticed how much fitter I am just by that walk every day. Not only that, because you're exercising, you're going to sleep better, and if you sleep better, your body repairs better. So all in all, just that little walk every day is going to make a difference for you. So here's 4 steps. Number 1, be prepared. Make sure that you're prepared for the walk. All your stuff's out. So whatever you're going to wear to go for your walk, get it out. Get it ready the night before. Set the alarm. Don't press the snooze button. Remember, if you snooze, you lose. If the alarm goes off, get up and get on. Make the most of every day. Remember that. The next step, number 3, go with a friend. Go with a mate. Go with somebody that is actually going to motivate you and hold you accountable to that walk. Walk to work. Number 4, walk to work. What's wrong with that? Even if it's a couple of miles each way, it doesn't matter. A couple of miles, that's half an hour, just over half an hour at a reasonable pace. So all of this is better than medication. So take my word for it. Read the blog, read the more detail, and get out and have a walk. And if you've enjoyed this video, please watch the next video just here, or subscribe to my YouTube channel just here.